Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading guys series for your general energies, career situation and relationship guys. We are picking these cards Aries. So these are for your general energies Aries. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation guys. If you want more clarity Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards. We have 5 of swords, 3 of swords and 5 of wands in reverse. So in your situation guys, Aries, in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really a responsible, dedicated person. You are working hard, trying your best. You have great dreams for yourself guys, dreams and goals. And maybe today in your situation you are struggling. You are seeing a lot of competition in your career. So there are people waiting to grab your opportunities or offers. So you're working hard, making a lot of efforts today, guys, Aries. And even in this relationship, maybe you are facing some difficult situation. You are making a lot of effort making this person understand your true love. So some difficult situation for you in your relationship guys, and maybe for some of you, you may see some kind of an argument or a fight or a stressful situation in your work or in your relationship, but this stressful situation is going to turn to your advantage. Maybe you will see things more clearly. You will see the truth or you will learn the truth about the circumstance, the reason for struggles you are seeing. So maybe in your career it is going to bring out the truth. Maybe what is the reason for things not going in that expected way. So what is lacking or what needs to be done. So some kind of truth coming out. And even in your relationship, these arguments or fights are bringing out the truth you want to see. And maybe for some of you, this person may be interested in someone else, guys, and they may just blurt out the truth to you in the heat of the argument. So there is a third party involved. That is the reason they are not showing their interest in you or interest in this connection. So you may feel really stressed because of this, but your circumstances are bringing out what you need. So you have a clear understanding, though it may be painful, guys, Aries. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Fool in reverse. So maybe in your relationship with this person, guys, you were you were not paying them a lot of attention. That may be the reason for this situation. Maybe you had a lot going on in your career situation. That would have been the reason for them neglecting you and going for someone else. So, or it may be some kind of a carelessness on your part, the reason for this separation, or some kind of a stressful situation involving a third person in this connection, guys, Aries. So for your career situation, Aries, it is Two of Swords. So in your career you are making some important decision, something truthful. So it is a difficult choice you are making, but you are making the right choice, guys. You need not worry. It may be quite painful for you to make this choice, but it is the right thing for you in your career situation, guys, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them, and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself. So you need not look for something outside. So you just need to be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.